Volvo is set to release its smallest and cheapest electric vehicle this summer. It says their cheapest. Not necessarily the cheapest, but I'm always curious about cheap electric vehicles in general because many have made claims that we will have the cheap electric vehicle. And I know there's lots of options in places like China and India, but over here, less so, man. It's really less so. It's supposed to be the Model 3 stayed expensive. Nissan Leaf is probably the best example, I guess, of an actual affordable electric vehicle. Last week, Electrek reported Volvo is developing its first electric minivan after a slide presentation showcasing the company's electrification progress, revealed 6 EV models. Alongside the minivan and a premium EX90 Excellence model, the slide showed a small SUV with little-known details. According to Volvo's CEO, the smaller SUV will be revealed on June 15th. The new, smaller SUV is a new addition to the range. The age demographic at Volvo is a little older than we'd like. We'd like to get some more younger people into the brand. That will be a really nice price point, I think, for an entry level. Very safe, decent range, good size still, smaller than a 40. We're going to talk to a completely different demographic. I think he means younger than 40 for the first time probably, and that younger demographic will probably be the ones that shop online. So do they say a target price? Currently, the C40 starts at $55,000. It's going to have to be less than that. Yeah, and so it's going to be
50?
Under 50. I believe it's got to be even closer to 40 in my estimation. A small Volvo SUV will ride on parent company Geely's SEA architecture, which is also the same stuff used in the upcoming Polestar 4. So that's where that collaboration overlaps between Volvo and Polestar and the learnings that are happening collaboratively between the two. So cool, yeah.